we basically help clients to go online.
And of course, it's our strategy to decrease the amount of money that people spend for the website.
If you look at like the UI, you simply drag and drop. What you see here is what you get.
And we really increase the registration about 5 times.
Something that is not just big now, but there's already a very big feature in that.
Jumbo. Couldn't you please represent yourself to the audience?
Okay.
What is your name and what is your company group does?
So my name is Alphonse Juma and I'm the founder of Oracom Group, where we basically help clients to go online. Anything that makes them have an online presence.
Yeah. What I like, it's maybe first country, maybe first company that I see that when I'm visiting too many countries that allows to go online. Because in Europe, people do not care about going online. Everybody is online. But what you do very nice that you helping local people and maybe people outside Kenya go online.
Yeah, it's really been a calling just to have a business online, because you understand there are so many advantages of a business going online. When I go online, it means I'm selling 24 hours in a day. So when they're calling to have businesses, and our focus has been both big businesses and also small businesses, just giving them an online platform, and it can be in the form of them hosting their domains or having their websites or having their portfolio on the internet, or for those who are selling, if they're able to have their platform sold on the internet. So if we are that medium or that team that can enable this small person be able to go online, and then after they have gone online, they're able to do their business on the internet. Yeah, that's a big future.
Yeah, and by the way, how many people are connected to the internet in Kenya? So Kenya is about 45 millions and about 30, 40%, 50% connected to internet.
I can say first of all is about the mobile penetration, which has really grown, and from the recent statistics is about the number of people who access using their mobile phones is really grown. So that is the statistics from the CAK. I don't have the exact figure, but the amount of people who go online with their mobile phones is increasing because many people are now starting to adopt smartphones. And I must say, Philip, this is something that is not just big now, but there's already a very big feature in that.
As you see, Tanzania has similar population as you,
yeah.
But in Tanzania they have like 25,000 domains local. In here you have more than 110 or 120,000 local domains.
Yeah.
So in this region it's not like Kenya compared to Ethiopia, to Uganda, Rwanda. Kenya is like technological center, yes?
Yes, Kenya has been a very big technological center. I think it's through a number of things that we do. I can attribute that much to our domain registrar, which is Kenik, that gives people .k domains. Yeah, they do a lot of campaigns, and as a company we always have so many sessions and partnerships with them. We work directly with them. We always have training sessions with them, and they do a lot to help Kenyan businesses have a higher uptake of the .ke domains. But I must say, domains in Kenya is not just about the .ke. Yeah, there are some who go online with any other domain, .com, .hotel, any other domain. And because Kenya is also known for innovations, the environment here, the way tech hubs are set up in the country, they are very interesting, and that's what has given, especially people like myself, I've grown in that culture where I've been able to join a number of hubs that help young people come up with businesses like now we've done at Oracom Group.
And the average price I see here is about $40 per year, yeah, for the domains, for the hosting. Like average price in the market, $30, $40, $50 per year.
Yes, I must say initially the prices were a bit high, but that is initially, and normally it starts with the rate of the domain, because as you consider your pricing, especially for a company like us, you have to consider the pricing and then think about whether somebody will have the ability to renew, because you can always have them buy new domains but they don't renew. So we always consider that as much, but I must say the average price currently is around between $30, but there are also some people sell it as low as $1. And I must say, so many companies also, especially those who are in the business of the domain, they're always looking for incentives and ways in which they can make someone be able to go online cheaper. Yeah, and I know that's where an area also you come in. Yeah.
And by the way, of course, we're coming here to decrease, and also we're existing to decrease the amount of money people need to spend for new websites. So we really, when we came to industry, average B2B, it's a hosting company like you, should pay with our competitors not less than 10,000 euros.
Yeah.
After first year, they start selling less than 5,000 euros per month. So if you would like to use a website builder, 3-4 years ago, it should be like 5,000 euros monthly. Now, most of competitors are working for 500 per month.
Okay.
It means that like we really make like easier entrance to the market, and of course it's our strategy to decrease the amount of money that people spend for the website, because if you buy very expensive, you sell very expensive. Yeah. Support is usually Swahili and English, or it's like into 24/7, yes?
Yeah, support.
Like technical support is in which language here?
Here,
yeah.
The support is mostly in English. Yeah, but we also have, I think in Tanzania where we have Kiswahili throughout. I must say Kenyans are not very good in Kiswahili. Yeah, right. So most of our support is always in English.
So just about language. So in Tanzania they have like Swahili. Here you have Kiswahili.
Kiswahili.
Yeah, so it's the same language but it's different name. Yeah, for Tanzania, for Uganda, for Kenya.
Yeah, but Tanzanians, the language, I think it came from those sides, so they are very good at it. But I must say Kenyans are not very good in Kiswahili.
Okay, but it's usually the same language, just the name of language.
It's the same, everything, like the same Kiswahili is the same we are taught here as well.
And about website builder, do you feel Wix and other brands coming here, or it's still website builders are a little bit far away from Kenya?
I must say website builders is a very upcoming technology, and it's the future, because like myself, I've been in the web development field, and sometimes you have to custom build for someone a website, and it becomes so costly because you have to sit down, build this from scratch, and then you have a team maybe working on this. That becomes a very costly project, and as a developer there's nothing you can do about it. But when website builders come into the market, they basically change this, because if you look at like the UI, you simply drag and drop. What you see here is what you get, and then you publish and have it live. It saves everyone's life.
Oh, by the way, do you calculate any conversions? For example, how many people start using website builder and how many finished? Just in a way, or you just usually put it and customer have it and that's all.
There are so many people, when somebody thinks of a website, already there is a notion that it's a complicated thing. So sometimes you'll tell a customer that you can you can build your own website, and they already know, like they just think it's difficult. Yeah, so I think there is need also for more education, customer education, and more tutorials, more videos, just telling people that you don't have to do this, because the user interface is already made so simple for you, such that you just drag and drop.
Why mostly hosting companies here, they host outside Kenya? It's because in Kenya it's very expensive traffic, or government, or it's like big fees for that, or why there are not big data centers in Kenya?
Yeah, the reason is because of the cost, but also there are very few websites that are hosted here. Even the top government websites, they are not hosted locally.
Because very expensive internet, or infrastructure very expensive, or laws are very bad, or what exactly?
It's actually infrastructure. We don't have very good infrastructure. One of them is internet speed, though it's improved a bit, but that cost. I think currently we are trying to do something on Konza City. There's a city we are building for technology, and it will be able to break in that barrier. But currently, most of the websites are hosted outside.
But also, I just think why there should be a big reason why data centers are not appearing here, because there are big needs to build here a good data center, because the quantity of websites in Kenya, if we compare to our country, is about 30-40 times less. So for 4,000 citizens, we have 70 websites. You have 4,000 citizens use only 2 websites.
Really?
Yeah, so like you will increase like 30-40% just to achieve our level, and then you need to grow faster. Yeah. But so the need for data center here is really very big. There should be some, I don't know, because when I need a website, for example, I would like buy mangoes from your friend, and I'm going to his website through the US and Netherlands. But if I just go to the closest data center, that should be like immediately. And also in our country, when they sell internet, they also have the speed inside the country and speed outside country. You do not measure it, you just sell the speed. When you buy internet, for example, when you use internet and you buy, for example, internet for the office, you have only like speed, like, I don't know, 256 kilobytes or 1 megabit to the office, and they say that it's 1 megabyte of internet or it's 1 megabyte of local internet and 512 kilobytes to outbound. You don't measure like that.
We don't measure like that.
It's just internet.
Just internet, yeah.
Maybe the reason why we have so many data centers in our country and other countries, because just internet inside country costs a little bit cheaper than outside.
All right.
Possibly.
Oh, okay.
So people understand that it will be cheaper and they start building it. Possibly, I don't know.
Okay.
And I think that website builder also, as you said, for people who just start using internet, they do not know what is the internet, how to eat it. Should they use ketchup for that? Or So for that people, I think who just started using internet, for them website builder should be a big issue, maybe a big benefits, and to start use internet much faster, yes.
Yeah.
And to go online much faster.
Yeah. Some kind of sensitization is always needed for some clients, but also when you deal directly with like developers who already have concepts of the website, such kind of people are able to quickly just adopt it and start using it.
And by the way, you have so many brands, so you can see there's one man manage all these brands with his team. Can you maybe share some just 1-2 success, I don't know, secrets why you so succeed managing all these brands, and why your company grows much faster than other companies?
Yeah, I must say it's been 10 years of coming up with these amazing brands. Yeah, and this year we're beginning a new journey where we want to now grow them to the next level. And what has really been driving us is just how we're able to help that common person in the village have an online presence. Yeah, so when you look at each of the platforms that we built, they are basically helping someone go online or making you have a successful journey on the internet. Like one of them maybe I can pick out is Pulse City, which is a social and business networking platform. And we've seen that very popular within the households, within the families, because it connects people, and everyone else is looking for a way in which you're able to explore or get connected or just reach out to the world. So it's what I can say where we are with these brands. We are just at the beginning, like it's just the tip of the iceberg. What you want to do with them from now going onwards is going to be so big.
Very nice. For us, maybe one life hack. During the last 2 months, we play a lot with bloggers. We increase our domain names in January by 20% by only 1 month, and we really increase the registration about 5 times using bloggers. So, and what we understand that we just need to get right message to right person, and it will be conversion can grow. We have basic conversion about 5% on the website. So with the right traffic, we can get conversion up to 20 or 40% registration. So it's like really crazy conversion.
That's big.
Yeah, and I think that if you also use bloggers, and also you are a blogger by yourself, and also you have a team who run a lot of videos, I think that this video is shortest way, maybe one of the shortest way to bring local people online, because when they come online, it will be a stronger economy. Because my opinion, US, I don't know, all countries that sell something for you. For example, America sell a lot of for you, like oil, internet, servers. They taking money from country. Yeah. But when Kenya starts selling something, I don't know, mangoes, I don't know,
flowers.
Yeah. So money comes to a country, and
Yeah.
this what you're doing is very nice for your country, because people going online, they start selling something online, and so
Yeah.
it's very nice because they, like, it's a big input into the country
Economy.
economy. Yes.
Yeah.
So thank you for your time, and let's grow Kenya together.
Thank you.
Okay.